Hello and welcome to my video on how to plan to draw a portrait. In this short video I'll show you all the dimensions you need to draw a proportioned plan to then start your portrait. So the resources you'll need are A3 cartridge paper, a 2B pencil, a ruler and a rubber. You'll start by marking and measuring 14.5 centimeters at the top and the base and then draw a vertical line. Next, you'll measure and mark 8 centimeters 4 times down the vertical edge of your paper. Draw 4 horizontal lines. First horizontal line that you've made, mark 8 centimeters away from the center vertical line on each side of that line. Do exactly the same thing on the third line down. Now between the third and fourth line you need to mark 4 centimeters. Then make a nice vertical line across that section. Now you'll do that same measurement again, but this time in between the third and the fourth section, measuring 4 centimeters down and drawing a vertical line. Now you'll go back to those marks that you made on the second and the fourth line, join those together to make a box. Within this box you need to draw a circle. Try and draw it freehand and try and make it as curved as possible, making sure that the edges do touch those 4 areas of the box. This will be your forehead and eyes area. I'd like you to draw a loop from the third line down to meet the 6th line and then back up to that third line. Again, drawing this freehand, making it as curved as possible when you're hitting that intersecting line. Now let's go back to that third line and measure 1.5 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters away from that center vertical line. You need to do these measurements on one side and then also on the other side, as these will be marks for where your eyes will be placed. So the marks for your nose will be the 4th line down where those 2 lines meet, and the marks for your mouth will be the 5th line down, 2 centimeters either side of that vertical line. So here's an example of where you'll place the eyes, the nose and the mouth on this portrait template. You can see that the circle actually indicates most of your forehead, so don't be fooled into thinking that that is the shape of your head. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips and tutorials, and see you next time.